In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage and fulfill an order in Shopify. Whether you're new to Shopify or you're just looking to streamline your existing processes, these steps will guide you through the basics of navigating your store's backend and fulfilling an order with ease. To start, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Shopify account. Once logged in, direct your attention to your dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the top of the screen where you will find the My Store button. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the home section of your Shopify store, which acts as your main hub for managing all your store's backend operations. Here, you can oversee key stats, promotions, and gain insights into your sales and activities. Next, locate and click on the Orders section, typically found in your main navigation menu. This section is one of your most important as it gives you an overview of all orders that have been placed in your store. You'll see a list of recent orders here, each with details such as the order number, customer name, and current status. This is where you can perform actions like viewing, managing, and updating orders accordingly. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to look into a specific order by clicking on the order number 1004. Click on this order to open up a detailed view. This page will give you specifics about the order, including items purchased, payment and shipping details, and order history. It's a fantastic way to keep track of everything in one place, ensuring that nothing slips between the cracks. Now, in the top right corner of this order page, find the Fulfill Item button and click on it. Fulfillment is one of the last steps in order processing and signals that you are ready to ship out the products to your customer. Clicking this button will open a window prompting you to confirm the action. Before you finalize everything, double-check all the information. This includes verifying that you have all the items in stock and that you're ready to send them out. Any mistakes here could potentially delay delivery and impact customer satisfaction. It's always a good habit to double-check for accuracy. Once everything looks good, go ahead and confirm that you wish to fulfill the order. After confirming, the status of the order should change accordingly, indicating that it is being processed for shipping. Congratulations! You've just successfully navigated through the order management process in Shopify and fulfilled an order. Mastering these steps not only ensures smooth operations, but also contributes to a positive experience for your customers. By becoming proficient in these routine tasks, you'll be setting the foundation for a successful and efficient online store. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.